Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got some premium roast beef I picked up thinly sliced from my local deli for about $6 per pound. And here I've got your basic bag of 8-inch sub rolls I picked up from Walmart. And believe it or not, they've got a great bakery. These are perfect rolls for a cheesesteak sandwich, and I use them all the time. And of course I like my cheesesteak with, which means with onions, so we're going to chop half an onion per sandwich. And in a hot pan I'm going to add some olive oil. Swirl the pan around a little bit, get a nice even layer, then drop those onions right in the skillet. Now to spice things up, I'm going to add some chopped jalapeno. And you want to spend about 10 minutes over medium heat till these onions get a bit translucent and some color. In the meantime, we can cut our bread. Now I like to use the sub roll as a good comparison to size up how much meat I want in it. That might be a little bit too much, so we'll just take out a piece. Now some people like their cheesesteak thinly sliced, some people like it chopped. Why not go with both? We got thin slices, and we're going to chop it up into small pieces. Now we've got the best of both worlds. By now the onions should be getting some color, but they're going to cook some more when we add the beef. Just a good shake will even out the spread, and then we'll drop the beef right over the top. We'll just spread it out evenly so we can cook out that pink out of the medium rare. You can season with salt and pepper at this point if you'd like. Just make sure that you get it all mixed through and cook it till it's well done. Not dried out, just cooked evenly. Now when it comes to cheese, you can use American, provolone, or Cheese Whiz. But believe it or not, I'm actually going to use Swiss cheese. And not just because it's all I had in my refrigerator. I find it actually adds a really nice flavor to the beef. So I'm just going to add a few slices right over the top here and wait for that to melt down. And we can go ahead and kill the heat. Now I did mention Cheese Whiz. How about nacho cheese as an alternative? This will spice things up as well. And I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way, but I do believe this brand has the best nacho cheese. And it's got almost the exact same texture as Cheese Whiz, so you really just can't go wrong with it. So I'll be adding this over the top when we're done. Now we just need to open up that sub roll. Oh, it's not centered. Gotta be perfect for the camera, because now our cheese is melted. If you can work your pan and shake it loose, flip it, that's great. If not, just fold it over itself, into itself. Get that cheese to stick to that beef like glue. Then I try to rearrange it in the pan so I can just add it straight to the sub from the side. Just like that. Now I'm just going to layer that nacho cheese right over the top. I know it may sound crazy, doubling up the cheese like this, plus using the Swiss cheese and nacho cheese, but I'm telling you, this is one of the best cheesesteaks I've ever had. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And there you have it, a spicy Philly cheesesteak right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.